And then after that was Abdullah, who did he was a fantastic leader,
Yeah.
man manager of
Yeah.
note,
Fantastic.
right? I don't think he was technically the best,
Mm.
but it didn't really matter
Yeah.
the way he managed the guys, right? Yeah, so I enjoyed that. And then when I played third team, Boshi was the captain, right? And I think that was deliberate.
Yeah.
That was my decision
Yeah.
actually.
Yeah. Yeah.
Right? I said
No
Boshi,
purpose.
yeah.
Yeah.
And again, um, there was something I knew that, like I saw something about him, man. Just the way he would be with people, man.
Yeah.
He had the kindest of hearts, man.
Fantastic.
And building that team
Yeah.
from, because we were going through a transition period during
Yes.
that time, you needed somebody that
Yeah.
people could relate to, and someone that can relate to everybody,
Yeah.
you know. And he was definitely that, right? Excuse me. And then Anik took over, right? And Anik brought a different flavor,
Yeah.
right? Much more competitive,
Yes.
right? And then that was again good for the youngsters coming through, man.
Yeah.
You know,
Yeah.
playing the game hard,
Yeah.
yeah. And that is he led from the front from that perspective, yeah.